What YouTube TV includes. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service offering a range of channels, features, and add-ons. Here's a breakdown of what's included. 1. Live TV channels. National networks ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, and PBS. Sports channels. ESPN, NFL Network, FS1, CBS Sports, NBA TV. News channels. CNN, MSNBC, FOX News, CNBC, BBC, World News. Entertainment and lifestyle. HGTV, Food Network, AMC, FX, TNT, TBS. Kids and family. Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. Second, on-demand content. Access thousands of on-demand movies and TV shows from included channels. Third, cloud DVR. Unlimited cloud DVR storage with recordings kept for up to 9 months. Fourth, simultaneous streaming. 3 simultaneous streams across different devices. Fifth, user profiles. Create up to 6 user profiles per account, each with personalized recommendations and watch lists. 6. Add-on packages. Optional. Sports Plus, NFL Red Zone, Fox Soccer Plus, MAVTV. 4K Plus. Watch select content in 4K resolution. Premium channels. HBO, Max, Showtime, STARZ, AMC Plus. International channels. Spanish and other foreign language networks. 7. Local channels. Includes local affiliates of major broadcast networks based on your location. 8. Supported devices. Smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV. Gaming consoles, Xbox One, Xbox Series XS. Mobile and tablets, iOS and Android devices. Web browsers, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox. 9. Additional features. Voice control, works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Picture-in-picture, PIP, available on supported devices. Multiview, watch up to 4 live streams at once, on select events. By subscribing to YouTube TV, you gain access to a wide variety of content, making it a versatile streaming option for live TV, sports, news, and entertainment.